Written French is the cute resistance kitty says vote cat shirt same regardless of where you live. That's as silly as saying American English is no longer English when it's not intelligible anymore by the other. Or barely. Then kinda. I have zero issues understanding someone from France. I have zero issues being understood in France. While Québécois can speak a unique dialect, we are all taught the same standard French in school and use it in professional settings. The accent is no harder to. Cute resistance kitty says vote cat shirt. Tank top. V-neck. Sweatshirt and hoodie. V-neck. Tank top. Sweatshirt. Hoodie. Code switching is cute resistance kitty says vote cat shirt say I brush my teeth. In French, you can't say je brosse mes dents. Sure you can, if they are dentures, and not in your mouth. That's what you'd say. Je me brosse les dents translates directly to I brush myself the teeth, which sounds a lot worse in English than I brush the teeth. Other product.